Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Here we have guys the MacBook Neo, and of course this MacBook Neo is fully set up, and I'm going to show you one of the most important features that you should activate right away as soon as you set up your MacBook. All right, so of course one of the key features here, if you use the touchpad, it's a mechanical touchpad that's different from the ears, the MacBook Air that is. And of course, if you go and once you start up, you're going to notice, for example, if you select something or wanted to select something, if you try to tap, notice it should select, but it's not. In order to select on this trackpad, you have to actually press down. You'll actually hear the click. But of course, in most trackpads, the best way is to do a tap to click. All right. So we're going to show you how to add the tap to click or activate the tap to click. And this is one of the things that will make using your MacBook way easier. And of course, this is the MacBook Neo tutorial. So first of all, you're going to go over to the Apple logo, upper right. Hope you're able to see. You're going to click down on the trackpad. You're going to go over to System Settings. And of course, you can hear those clicks each time I'm clicking. You're going to scroll down in the left panel. You're going to go all the way down. So if you're at the top here, scroll down until you go all the way down. You're going to see an option here that says trackpad. If you can't find it, go ahead and search trackpad in the search area here. It will appear. Go ahead and select the trackpad, which has the icon of a finger over a trackpad. Go ahead and select. And of course, once you're in here, guys, you're going to see this very cool screen here. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to select this option here that says tap to click. So I'm going to hover and I'm going to select tap to click. All right, so now I have selected tap to click. Check this out, guys. I should be able to now tap, and there you go. So whenever I want to select from now on, I can always tap. So for example, to select now, unlike before, where I have to actually press down and you hear that physical click, now I can tap and stuff will be selected. All right, so this is a must activate feature for your new device after setup. All right, so this is it for the MacBook Neo. Hope that was useful in showing you how to activate the tap to click function. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.